Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Forex Gold. So this is our brand new video guys, and first of all I am sorry guys, I was not available these days because I was busy creating some content for you guys. Alright, so I am back now, so I'll be uploading regularly now. Alright, so this is my new strategy and I am sharing it with you guys for absolutely free. Alright, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel. So alright guys, so this strategy can change your life and it can generate you thousands of dollars of profit if you follow the strategy properly. Alright, so these are the very basics I'm explaining you, so please watch the whole video and please like. So I've given an application link in my Telegram channel. In my free Telegram channel you will find the link in the description of the video, so make sure you join there and download this APK from there. Once you download and install this APK, you will be redirected to a page like this when you open it. All right, so now let's continue. So as you can see over here, FX, stock, commodities, indices, and also some cryptos. All right, so there's everything in this app. So whatever you want to trade, everything over here is available. So today what we are going to trade is gold. So today the strategy I'm going to share it with you guys is gold. All right, so you can do it in all these pairs also, but today I'm sharing it in gold. All right, so these are the top 8 currencies which are most volatile and which can give you the most profit. Okay, so these are the currencies we need to trade in. So today we are going to concentrate in gold. So first let me explain some features. So as you can see, these are the 8 currencies which we need to focus on. All right guys, so once we do favorite, so you will find it in your favorite section. All right, so these are the top 8 currencies. So today which we are focusing is gold. So as you can see now, there are some time frames. All right, so once I select 15 minutes, so I will get the trend of 15 minutes what's going on in the market. As you can see, the gold is neutral, euro USD is neutral, GBP USD is a strong buy. All right, and you can see it's 0.23% upside, and as you can see this is neutral and minus 0.14%. So we get an initial idea. We have to watch this regularly. All right, so now how you can trade regularly and how you can generate consistent income for you guys, that I am going to explain you. All right, so if you haven't liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for further updates. Okay guys, now guys, when you click on the gold, all right, so I've clicked on the gold, so just wait, this app is little bit slow. All right, so here we can see, so now here what we can see is we know the trend, we know the exact trend, and to trade in Forex or any market, we must know the trend. All right, so what we do is we go and trade in the opposite trend direction. So definitely we are going to make losses. All right, so let me explain some points. So you can see the update time over here and you can see the current time over here. And guys, let me tell you, the time will get auto converted according to your time zone. If you are from another country, I am from India, so you can see this is Indian standard timing, and if you are from another country, then it will be automatically converted according to your time zone. Okay, so this is it. So now I will explain you. So guys, here you can see weekly and daily and 4 hours. So we need to focus on the last 4 time frames: weekly, daily, and 5 hours, 4 hours. Okay, so these are very important. All right, so as you can see, from one day the market is downtrend. All right, so from one day the market is downtrend. So let me just place some order and show you live. Okay, so as you can see over here, the market is currently uptrend. All right guys, so you can see from 7 minutes and from 1 minute the market is uptrend. Okay, so let me just place one order. So I will just place a buy order over here. All right guys, so just to show you that these apps work perfectly. All right guys, so I will place a buy order over here. So as you can see guys, our buy order has been initiated, and this is my live account. Okay, So as you can see over here, this is my live account, so please like the video, guys. Okay, so now let's come to the section over here, chart section, and I am doing this to daily time frame. Okay guys, so this is daily time frame now, and as you can see what this app says, the gold was strong sell. Okay, it was strong sell from 3 days. Let's check it was right or wrong. So as you can see, this is our gold, and as you can see 1, 2 and 3. You can see guys how powerful this is. This is very powerful, guys. You can see 1, 2 and 3. All right guys, so from 3 days continuously, this is daily time frame, from 3 days continuously the gold is in downtrend. This is a 4-hour time frame chart. All right, and guys, as you can see, this was totally downtrend from 3 days. Okay, from 3 days, you can see over here from 3 days it's continuously coming downtrend. So can't you trade, can't you place orders in this section? Can't you do it? Yes, you can do it. I have some more indicators from which we can from which we can confirm our trades. All right guys, so as you can see how beautiful trend we get. Okay, once we follow the trend, we will never ever be in loss. Okay guys, so don't worry about this. This is just I've for demo purpose I have placed this order. Okay guys, so you need to check always the update time. So as you can see, the 1 minute before it was updated, and still it's showing strong buy in 5 minutes and strong buy in 15 minutes. So it's not like that if it's if the app shows buy, I need to place a buy order immediately. So there are some confirmations, there are some 2-3 times we have to confirm. So how we can do it, I'll explain you further. All right, in my premium, all advanced strategy will be explained, will be in detail. I will explain, everything is for free. Okay, you don't have to pay a single penny for that. But what you need to do is, I've given the link in the description, so you can join with me with my group in XNES. All right, with my affiliate link, just join with my affiliate link, and then I will add you to my premium Telegram channel. All right, you don't have to pay a single penny, don't worry about that. You might be thinking that I need to pay something, but you don't have to pay anything. All right, so this is absolutely free. So as you can see, from 21st, this is showing from 21st. Okay guys, this is showing from 21st. As you can see over here, the continuous market downtrend, how the market is falling, as you can see. So it's very easy, it's very convenient to trade over here. Okay, anywhere I can trade. My trend, I will never ever go against the trend. Okay, against the trend, I will never ever go against the trend by using this app. So that's what I wanted to explain you. Okay guys, so now my trade is being here. I placed the order, now I am in loss, so don't worry about that. Okay guys, I have just shown you for demo purpose that I am confidently trading. Why I have confidently traded? Because 4-hour time frame also it's a strong buy from 7 minutes. Okay, and 15 minutes also strong buy from 7 minutes, and 5 minutes also strong buy. That's why I have traded over here, and now I will book some profit or I will book this loss. I don't care, because I want what I want is to explain you. Okay, for explanation purpose I was placing this trade. Okay guys, so just download this application, and please like the video, and after downloading this, you will come to this section, and please only trade in these top currencies. Okay, only trade in these top currencies, so you just get an idea of what is happening in the market. Okay guys, so please like the video, and I will now stop the video over here, and I will just show live what I do, book profit or I book loss. So as you can see, the loss was still $2. Why I am not panic? Why I am not panic? Because I know the trend. I am not even watching the chart. Guys, you can see the power of the strategy. I am not even watching the chart. In front of you, I have just placed the order manually. Okay, I am not even watching the chart. I am not even doing my analysis. Then you can just imagine how powerful my calls can be on my premium channel. All right, so as you can see, we are facing a loss over here. Now let this be. So I will go to a smaller time frame to show you what's happening in the market. So as the app said, okay, it's uptrend from 13 minutes. So as you can see over here, the trend is now uptrend. Okay guys, so this is the power of this strategy guys. So you can use it anywhere, and you can work in 2-3 pairs. That also I'm going to share it with you guys. So if I get 50 likes on this video, so I'll be sharing it live with pairs and gold, everything. Okay, so this is the only strategy you need. You don't need anything else. Okay, just forget everything, forget all shitty things, just concentrate on my strategy. Just join to my premium Telegram channel, just join my free Telegram channel, just join everywhere, and you will come to know what's happening. Guys, see, I'm not even looking at the chart. Okay, so I will pause it over here, and I will afterwards, whatever I do, book profit or loss, I will do it in front of you guys. So just wait. Hello guys, so now you can see, just let me show you the power of this strategy. So guys, as you can see, without just looking at the chart, I placed the orders. Okay, so now you can see over here our profits. All right guys, so I'm just booking it in front of you. Okay guys, so as you can see, just now I've booked the profit of 1.36. so as you can see, you can, with using this strategy, you can just do scalping. Okay, if you want to earn a consistent income, you can do scalping, or else you can do long-term trades. All right guys, so you see how the market was in downtrend and how we took the trade after our confirmation. So this was just a rough trade guys, so don't do like me, how I'm doing, by just looking at this. Don't place any orders. I am not responsible for anything. Okay guys, so you have to learn more, you have to learn much more things. All right, so make sure you join my premium Telegram channel by registering with my link given in the description. All right guys, so I've just booked the profit live, and no need to show you anything else. So as you can see, let me do it last 3 months. So you can see we are in a profit of $4. So let us see how we do it. We have done a withdrawal of $3. All right, so this is it guys. I just want you to guys like the video. Okay, just like the video and share it with your friends. All right guys, so please subscribe to our channel, and please stay updated. All right guys, so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.